And it's still on Hoylake Beach. And looking at this phenomenal amount of cormorants. Well, they're keeping out sheltered from the high tide. And they're slowly making their way in, but a lot of them now just sit on the edge of the water because it's in shallows. What they'll be feeding on is the lugworm. There's a big lugworm bed here. As soon as the tide comes in, the lugworms start popping their heads up, and these cormorants are having a field day. And we move a little bit more to the right, and we do see a few more cormorants there. And we go a little bit further, and we've got an awful lot of oyster catchers on the edge of the tide now. It's probably about 500 or 600 there, maybe more. Plenty of other waders now coming in. We'll get a better look at it a little bit later on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and anything you'd like to see on the video, please leave a comment. It would be appreciated to get me started. Thanks a lot. Bye.